Kinda late for a charity drop-off, isn't it, boys?
Seeing a living legend in action. It's almost too awful to watch.
Move it!
We may have a knockout in record time. I don't think this one's getting up again. And that means we have a winner!
What have you done? You're not going in that house, Huntress. That I promise.
I'm here on league business, Canary.
That's not what Jean said. We just called him.
Okay, that didn't work.
Maybe this will.
And here I heard you were some kind of brilliant fighter.
You heard right.
I strongly advise you to stay down. These impact arrows are non-lethal, but they hurt. A lot.
He's gone! Mandragora is gone! Didn't anyone ever tell you, Mandragora? No one messes with the Justice League. Worse than that coming.
better call the League in on it. Terrific.
What's going?
Thanks for saving us the trouble.
Looks like we're in this together.
If you call me girlfriend, I'm gonna dropkick you into the next county.
Now don't go all sentimental on me. No, little bird.
Watchtower! What? Let me give you the short version.
Control center's gotta be up there. Hang on.
I should have taken you down last time. My mistake.
In another 30 seconds, your brains will be so scrambled, I'll be able to serve them up with bacon. Okay, I give up!
Do I kill the signal or you?
Thank you, Helena. If you hadn't...
You would have done the same. You know, I was totally whipping your butt back when they caught us.
In your dreams.
Like I'd waste my dreams on you.
We could settle this right now.
After all the mindless brutality we've seen tonight, no thanks.
Yeah, I hear you. Bad enough most people think superheroes solve all their problems with their fists.
Like we're all a bunch of muscle-headed stereotypes.
We're better than that.
Way.
Do falls out of 3?
You're on.